नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 20, text 21, text 22 and text 23 of chapter 20. Conversation between Maitreya and Vidur of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 20. क्षुततृड भ्यामुप सृष्टास्ते तम जगधूम भिदु ध्रुवुः मा रक्षतैनं जक्षध्व मित्युचुः क्षुततृडर्दिताः. Overpowered by hunger and thirst, they ran to devour Brahma from all sides and cried, "Spare him not, eat him up." The representatives of the Yakshas and Rakshasas still exist in some countries of the world. It is understood that such uncivilized men take pleasure in killing their own grandfathers and holding a love feast by roasting the bodies. Text 21. Devas tanaho sambigno ma mam jakshat rakshat अहो मे यक्ष रक्षांसी प्रजा यूयम बभूविथ. Brahma, the head of the demigods, full of anxiety, asked them, "Do not eat me, but protect me. You are born from me and have become my sons. Therefore you are Yakshas and Rakshasas." The demons who were born from the body of Brahma were called Yakshas and Rakshasas because some of them cried that Brahma should be eaten and the others cried that he should not be protected. The ones who said that he should be eaten were called Yakshas, and the ones who said that he should not be protected became Rakshasas, man-eaters. The two Yakshas and Rakshasas are the original creation by Brahma and are represented even until today in the uncivilized men who are scattered all over the universe. They are born of the mode of ignorance and therefore because of their behavior they are called Rakshasas or man-eaters. Text 22. Devatah prabhaya ya divyan pramukhato asrujat te aharashura devayanto visrushtam tam prabha mohoh. He then created the chief demigods who are shining with the glory of goodness. He dropped before them the effulgent form of daytime and the demigods sportingly took possession of it. Demons were born from the creation of night and the demigods were born from the creation of day. In other words, demigods are born of the quality of goodness and demons like the Yakshas and Rakshasas are born of the quality of ignorance. Text 23. Devo adevan jaghanatah srujati smati lolupan ta enam lolupataya maithunaya vipedire. Lord Brahma then gave birth to the demons from his buttocks and they were very fond of sex. Because they were too lustful, they approached him for copulation. Sex life is the background of material existence. Here also it is repeated that demons are very fond of sex life. The more one is free from the desires for sex, the more he is promoted to the level of the demigods. The more one is inclined to enjoy sex, the more he is degraded to the level of demoniac life. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.